There is a tooth in your jaw that nature forgot to cancel. It arrives late, often crooked, sometimes never breaking the surface at all. For most of human history, this fourth molar fit just fine. Today, in the United States alone, it gets removed in roughly 5 million surgeries a year. Studies estimate most adults will have at least one wisdom tooth removed. So why does your body still build a tooth it cannot use? Wisdom teeth are your third molars, the very last teeth to appear in your mouth. They usually emerge between the ages of 17 and 25, long after childhood. The name comes from an old idea, teeth of the age of wisdom. Ancient humans had wide, powerful jaws built for relentless, heavy chewing. Their diet was raw plants, tough uncooked meat, and gritty fibrous roots. All that grinding wore teeth down, and naturally made room at the back. Darwin noticed our molars were shrinking compared to those of our distant ancestors. In The Descent of Man, he tied this reduction to our softer, civilized diet. Fossil skulls reveal a clear, unmistakable trend across many thousands of years. As tools and fire softened our food, our jaws steadily grew shorter. Modern jaws are measurably smaller than those of our Stone Age ancestors. Cooking unlocked soft calories, so raw chewing power simply mattered far less. Lieberman studied how soft diets reshape the jaw over a single lifetime. His experiments showed that jaw bone responds directly to mechanical stress. Children who chew tougher food may grow slightly larger, stronger jaws. But our teeth stayed the same large size even as the jaw shrank around them. Imagine 32 guests trying to squeeze into a 28-seat room. The last molars arrive to find absolutely no space left for them. They press sideways, stay buried, or shove against their neighboring teeth. This is called impaction, a tooth trapped beneath the gum or bone. Roughly 1 in 4 adults has at least one impacted wisdom tooth. Impacted teeth can trigger pain, infection, and crowding of nearby teeth. This anatomist carefully mapped how human jaws lost their length over time. He linked the modern crowding of teeth directly to our shortened face. Some people are simply born without any wisdom teeth at all. A large share of people never develop a third molar at all. A gene called PAX9 helps decide whether these molars ever form. Different populations carry different versions, so the trait varies worldwide. In some indigenous groups, missing third molars are remarkably common. Evolution, it seems, is quietly editing this tooth out of our species. But here is the twist: the tooth never stopped being useful. When healthy and well-positioned, wisdom teeth still chew food perfectly well. The real problem is not the tooth, it is the modern jaw that shrank too fast. We did not lose a tooth, we lost the space to hold it. The mismatch is the price of fire, farming, and soft processed food. Not every wisdom tooth needs surgery. Many sit quietly for a lifetime. Dentists weigh impaction, infection risk, and crowding before deciding. Always ask a dental professional before deciding on any removal. We are watching an organ fade, one generation at a time. Your wisdom teeth are a fossil you carry in your own mouth. Next time one aches, remember, you are feeling evolution still in progress.